It's an honor and privilege to welcome you to my channel. We are in section Virtue, chapter 3, The Greatness of Ascetics, couplet 26. The eminent pursue arduous works, others refrain from great tasks. The literal meaning of this couplet is that great beings take up difficult tasks and simple beings will pursue that which is simple and easy. The eminent points to ascetics who equip themselves, undergo and perform difficult tasks to reach greatness. Others take the easy path and do not attain greatness as a result. The ascetic is one born within the society but has an inclination to seek liberation and takes interest, pursues the difficult path due to past karma and the grace of the Almighty. The ascetic thus starts the journey of internal seeking in an attempt to merge with the Almighty and pursues any one of the many paths like the arduous path of the Ashtanga Yoga to achieve unification. If the ascetic chooses the path of Ashtanga Yoga, then a sequence of 8 steps follow which takes extreme determination and commitment with overwhelming empathy and love. The 8 steps are Iyamam, good habits, Niyamam, good activities, Asanam, good posture, Pranayamam, proper breathing, Pratyaharam, drawing the senses inward that stills the mind, Dharanam, concentration, Dhyanam, meditation, Samadhi, equilibrium or merge with the superconscious or supreme. Each one of the above are vast topics, but in short, the first 3 pertain to external practices, next 2 involves breathing techniques, and the last 3 involves life force or Atman. Therefore, the path the ascetic chooses is usually arduous but not impossible or unattainable. So, only the great will pursue this path. The others would take the easy path where they get driven by the senses, which would be straightforward and effortless. One who rides the senses will be pulled in different directions and would be unable to focus on the destination. The issue when one sticks to the path laid by the 5 senses is that one would get entangled and create new karma, facilitating to realize effects in future births and deaths because of the current causes. Virtuous way of life would help in the process of pushing the human being towards seeking and liberation. The relentless seeker or ascetic would use the mind to control the senses initially, as the grip of Maya on the Atman is quite powerful. Thus, the poet once again highlights the greatness of the ascetic who, being a part of the society, lives as an example and a goal for his fellow beings, showcasing it is not only possible but also should be the aim for all human beings to strive and achieve the ultimate goal and merge with the Supreme Nature or Almighty.